Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to register and submit for the e-Innovasi competition. Go to the website shown on the screen, sign up if you don't have an account. Otherwise, log in. Click EMU e-Innovasi competition and choose new registration. Choose your type of competition and participation. Fill in your details. For the school category, the team leader is the student's name, and the in-charge teacher's name goes under head teacher. For other categories, fill in the team leader, project name, and institution details. Provide the project description, scope, and demo link. Choose your presentation language and click Next. Add your team members' names, with a maximum of 4 members. Tick the agreement box and submit. Our team will review your project and notify you by email once approved. Once you receive an email confirming your project's approval, proceed with payment. Click View and Make Payment, tick the policy box, and click Proceed with Payment. Follow the instructions for online payment. After completing the payment, click View and Make Submission. Insert your video link and upload your poster at the bottom. Then, click Submit Project. You have successfully completed the submission. Register now and showcase your innovation to the world.